very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I've been given the honorable task to introduce today's speaker, and we welcome you, Umesh ji. Umesh Sharma is a Central Council member currently, and he's been serving his second tenure term in 25-29. He is a multifaceted personality, as I see from his profile, which I received. Beyond being quite proficient with the technical topics, he has a keen interest in AI. He's the chairman of the Artificial Intelligence Committee of the ICI for the current term. As well as that, he has a second hat wearing on being the vice chairman of the GST and the Indirect Tax Committee, also for the same term. Uh, uh, Umesh has authored the widely acclaimed tax articles series titled Karniti, which has featured almost 610 weekly articles. And for the same, he has also been honored with the prestigious recognitions from uh, valued organizations like World Book Records, Asia Book of Records, as well as India Book of Records. He is also quite a prolific writer and has many publications to his kitty, uh, the topic on the topic of GST, which is like MVAT audit manual. He has authored publications like Let's Talk GST, Let's Talk Income Tax, as well as background material on GST, which is published by WIRC. This is just a very small and a brief introduction, I'm sure, but the audience is going to truly benefit from your session today. We warmly welcome you at BCS, and I think without taking much time, I'll just offer the entire time to you to address to our audience.
Thank you, Kinjal. Thanks for the kind introduction. As the name suggests, Kinjal, you are kind, always introducing the speaker. I'm still a student of AI and also the student of GST, but I'm trying my level best to impart the knowledge, whatever I have. So thanks to Bombay Chartered Accountant Society, this is my fourth session with BCS, and I am very happy that every time the subjects are changing. First, and there was a GST, then I had a networking summit, and then now on AI. And thanks to our president, Zubin Bhai, for his kind words and allowing me to speak before you all. And Mandarilan sir were also there when he talked me that whether you will be able to take the session. And I was very happy because as a prestigious organization, BCS always stand tall, and to have a interaction with the members of BCS is always an enriching experience. And now I move toward the topic. I will share my screen here. So let's start our discussion. Friends, we will keep 10-15 minutes for the question answers at the end, and I will try my level best to finish within 45 minutes to 60 minutes. BCS being such a big organization, I will welcome a detailed discussion further also on this subject, because AI is an evolving subject and your inputs will be very much useful to all of us. So let's start our discussion. The topic is boosting business and professional productivity through AI. So here we have to go through some business models also, and also we will come down to our profession, chartered accountancy profession. So from bhai khata to bots, chaos to control tak. So let's start our discussion one by one. And friends, this is not the PPT. I have used my own Office AI tool, and this is a HTML presentation, which is a very unique presentation. This I have done by using Cloud AI and given all the details to it. And this is just a presentation which is there like a website which we are viewing it, but it has some multiple controls of AI, and it will automatically take care of the topic which I am discussing. So such types of new things we have to carry on. Now we move to first types of AI. Friends, why this is very important to know that which type of AI is affecting on us. being a professional chartered accountant. So there are near about 4 to 5 types of AI. Here, I will take you towards the first AI, that is the machine learning. What is this type of AI? It's a system that learns from data and improves with experience. So, what is the example of machine learning? When we count currency notes in any bank, there is a machine, we put the bundles of notes and it counts and also gives the data, the counting, and it's continuously learn and also identify the fake notes. So machine learning is there. Whether this is affecting our profession, whether this is affecting the businesses, yes, many businesses are getting affected by machine learning. In manufacturing sector, there is a big impact of machine learning because 400 years earlier, there was an industrial revolution. The human beings were doing the work, physical work. Now machines were doing. Then came the digital revolution in 1970s, 80s, 90s, and machines started using computer systems, using data, and they are improving their experience. Now machines with AI, they are also now doing some decision making also. So machine learning is a continuous process, more used in manufacturing sector. Then we have natural language processing, and this is the area which there is an understanding and generation of human language. So this is the area where we professionals get fit. What is the role of a chartered accountant? Clients comes to a chartered accountant, ask questions. The questions may be of different subject, GST, income tax, international taxation, whatever it may be, and the client gives answer. It may be in the form of opinion, verbal, or it may be in the form of audit report. Audit is also a question and answering. Notice replies, that is also a form of question and answering. So these systems started understanding and generating human language. So NLP is the area which is getting affected to our chartered accountants. ChatGPT, Meta AI, Cloud A, Gemini, we give them text. It may be in any Hindi, English, Marathi language, and it gets converted into a fine English, fine Hindi, fine Marathi. So by that way, now a general public is going on the social media and giving asking questions or giving prompts about finance and banking. And you all must be amazed that top 10 subject on which prompts are asked. The third subject is finance and banking, taxation all over the world. So people are using NLP for their day-to-day taxation, banking, financial questions. So this is the area where we are getting affected because the technology is playing role to impart the knowledge of our domain. So we are getting affected. Next, computer vision. This is a type of AI interpreting and analyzing visual information. What is the best example? X-rays. X-ray is given to the machine, it analyzes and it gives a complete detail. What a doctor was doing, now the machines are doing. So radiologists are getting lower value because the machines are reading the information and they are interpreting. Another example of computer vision, DG Yatra. When you go to airport, they analyze our face and allow us into the airports. Now comes robotic, physical machines with AI powered automation. One can call this as a physical AI. So what is this physical AI? Physical AI is machines are using AI to determine the production pattern, to determine the quality of the product, to determine whether this particular product is according to the norms or not. Supervisory role. Say a part is prepared in a mobile. a particular camera is fitted. So whether that camera part is of that quality, of that particular minute inches or not, all these things are taken care by AI powered automation. ABB company, you must be knowing it. It has prepared a machine which is fitted in a Tata Steel companies, and the Tata Steel companies also develop their own AI tools with TCS. Near about 500 AI tools they have developed in Jamshedpur Tata factory, and from there they are predicting which machine we need to shut, which machine we need to go for maintenance, which machine is producing as per the quality or not. So that's a huge industry which is using AI. Now comes deep learning. It's a neural networks for complex pattern recognition. It will be more useful in medical area where from the blood samples they will identify whether a cancer is the probability in future for that particular patient or not. So it required huge data. So deep learning neural networks are getting developed, and lot of more activity even in the space also the deep learning is coming. Now comes the last generative AI, creating content, text, images, code, audio, and this is the most democratic AI out of all these six. Number one is generative AI. Like in Google, you put a text, it will answer. In Google Lenses, you put a photo, it will give you details. So generative AI is a democratic AI. Then most second use AI is NLP, natural language processing. ChatGPT, Gemini, and all these things are there. Then comes the third one is computer vision, fourth one is machine learning, fifth one is robotics, and then last is deep learning. So in the business and our practice, which AI is impacting, we have to know. Why I am taking this basic? Because we need to specialize in practice. We started in our CA studies, GST, income tax, auditing, accounting. But now, once we came in profession, we are becoming specialized. Someone like GST, someone like income tax, someone like other things. So as AI ecosystem develop, we should know which AI is impacting us, which type of AI. So NLP is impacting our profession. Generative AI is also impacting, and the rest are impacting to the businesses. NLP and generative AI is also impacting businesses, but they are more impacting on the professionals. Now we come to AI implementation level. This is the level where we have to see how we can implement AI in our ecosystem of our own life. So, friends, how to start? First, AI for me. You have to identify your personality. What is your productivity goal? What is your learning and skill enhancement goal? And accordingly, you should use it. Because AI is a very vast subject. It's a sea. If you go into it, you will never find the shore. So what is the best way? Just focus. You are a partner, you are an entrepreneur, you are a young CA, or you are in a job, and what skill sets are required for you. So learn that skill set of AI. So first step is AI for me. Having a licensed ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, or a Copilot is must. So from that, you get your yourself empowered. So that is AI for me. Even in your mobile also, you will find many productivity tools. Then comes AI for my business, my profession. So practice automation, client services and efficiency, customer services and efficiency. So in which area of your profession, like in income tax, documentation, or in audit, you want to use AI for creation of a tool, because in our office we have created tools. If time permits, I will show you that tools also. So for GST, which tools do we want to use? So identify a process in your profession, in your business, where you want to use AI, and then you should start the implementation level next. Then AI in my sector. Friend, this is very important. We are in a profession, we are in a chartered accountancy sector. Some professionals may be cost accountant, company secretary, or maybe a doing business consultancy. Industries may be in automobile, retail, finance and banking, in textile. So what are the best practices there? What is the status of AI there? That needs to be find out so we can start implementing. So we will slowly see in the next slide what is the impact on each industry and what is the best practices there. So we have to find out AI which is suitable in my sector. Then comes AI for my country, India AI mission. Then METI, Ministry of Electronics and IT, what they are doing, how Google is creating data centers in India, Vishakhapatnam, the largest investment coming, what the other companies are doing in my country. So whether in India we are part of that national digital initiatives and regulatory framework. DPDP Act has come, whether that is applicable to my sector or not, or I have international presence in Dubai, in Singapore, in Hong Kong. What are the laws of that country, so I can implement that in my AI implementation levels? So we have to find out that, because we have seen in Muscat we had been there, so they don't allow cloud. The Muscat, the country, their government wants data to be stored in server only. So country specific AI needs should be seen. Then comes AI for my world. This is a responsible AI. This is a ethical AI. You should not misuse AI against the human being. So ethical use of AI, and we chartered accountants are most perfect for ethical use of AI. So this is our journey, the implementation levels of AI in our business or in our practice. Now comes one by one to the next slide. AI strategy for enterprises. So how we should plan the AI strategy? First, reimagine the operating model. We are in practice. What is our operating model? Who are the partners? How many seniors are there, how many articles are there, who are our client, how we are taking decision, in which level we are using AI. We have to find it out, whether we are using software for task management in office, like practice management software. In case of industry, whether they are operating in a model, whether they are, say for example, in a manufacturing sector, what type of machines they are using, what type of human resources they are having, how they are integrating the machines and the human beings interaction, who are taking the calls, whether they are using any SAP or ERP, and what is the importance of the CRM, customers feedback mechanism, which is the key area of their model. We have to reimagine it. Rather than putting AI for correcting the process, we have to reimagine the model and reinvent through AI, because AI is a cost effective. Many processes are getting changed out. So please reimagine the operating model of your business or your firm or your practice. Then comes next, invest in data strategic assets. Friend, this is very important. Whatever data is getting generated in our practice, maybe the articles data, maybe our working files, maybe our audit reports, company annual reports or balance sheets, P&L, or through emails, through WhatsApp, through whatever source it may be. we must make it as a asset and we should start investing in that. Have a good quality server, have a good quality cloud infrastructure. In the business also, we need to know from where data is flowing, which data pipeline is there, and how we can integrate the our AI model with different data pipelines. For example, say in case of a retail shop, we want to implement AI. So the data is coming from invoices, the data is coming from his accounting software, say Tally. Data is also coming from the business customers' feedback. So we have to integrate all this. So from wherever data is coming, they are called data pipelines, and we have to integrate that in our AI model. So investment in data is very important. If we are putting our data for a free AI model, chat gpt, it's a free version, then your data is out, so privacy is not there. So please be very specific. Then comes build a hybrid talent model. This is very important. As said by Zubin Bhai, human judgment is always going to stay. So whatever organization we are having where we have to implement AI, the hybrid talent model should be used. In which processes AI is going to be used and how a human being will take the judgment, whether it's ethical, whether it's honest, whether it is helpful, it is harmless. These are the three outputs of any AI strategy. Every output of AI should be honest, harmless, and helpful. So please see whether that model is accordingly, and shift from hierarchies to learning networks. So across the firm, all partner should come and learn AI. The days are gone that I am senior, I am a middle, I am junior, he is a article, or across business HR level. Everybody has to learn because the days are gone that AI will not affect me. It is just a question when. So this is very important. AI is going to affect everybody. The question is when. So don't wait for the when. Start shifting the hierarchies to learning networks. Have regular meetings, have regular upskilling through use of AI in enterprises, and start learning and take more inputs from the young people because they are having good inclination towards technology adoption. Now, last, lead with purpose, not fear. In AI, we should have a very clear strategy. This month, next 6 months, next one year, what we are going to change through AI. So lead with a purpose. Don't fear that AI will take away our job, AI will take away practice. Rather than AI is empowering entrepreneurship. A 21-year age chartered accountant with a technological background, some knowledge, but having a very brilliant idea and one license copy of ChatGPT or Cloud A will create wonderful softwares or tools which earlier 200 people software company was giving the output. So it is just a purpose that a leader can use AI to make wonders. So one partner or one goal or one person from our organization should lead with purpose in AI. That we have done in auditing, that we have done earlier in income tax, that we have done earlier in GST. So have a lead partner in AI and go with no fear. Now next, just a industry-wise disruption timeline. Very interesting. AI is fundamentally reshaping every industry. And what is the current position of our industry? Friends, we are in finance and banking sector. We call it finance and banking sector for a chartered accountant, cost accountant, and company secretary, and every all of us who are in this taxation or auditing or accounting, whatever it may be. AI is affecting now. It has already affected all over the world. The fastest AI adoption is happening in financial services, and we are in that area, that sector. So it has already affected us. Income tax department, GST department, or whatever fintech companies are there, they are using AI extensively. So we must start implementing AI as soon as possible in our practice. The second area is retail. Retail, online e-commerce. You have seen the boom in online e-commerce. That's why retail sector is using AI more for consumer experience. Then comes media and contents. Nobody goes to TV to watch the news. It's happening online, OTT. AI has changed this media and content industry. What is the next imminent? It is going to happen here. It's a matter of when. In education, billions of rupees are invested in education sector, and new AI tools are coming. The days are going to there. Even in our chartered accountancy profession, for students, we are giving training of AI. Now in many countries, AI is a subject from third year itself. In India also, many CBSE schools are giving Python training from 10th itself. So the subject is there of AI. So education sector is already getting affected, but it will see more effect. Then comes the manufacturing sector. Here, some machines are still there. So to convert that model by using AI is taking time, but many companies are using it. Then comes healthcare. This will be the most effective use of AI for enhancing the life of a human being. Many countries are already ahead in implementing AI in health sector. India is a 140 crore diverse populated country, and healthcare investments are coming, foreign investments are also coming. So AI is definitely going to be affected there. Now, which is tomorrow's areas of AI affecting? Construction. Friends, it's a labor incentive, it's a government regulated. Every country, every city has different rules. So it will affect, but it will take some time. Then government services. This is a very controlled area. Each government want to control the data, control the systems, control the decision making. Some have democratic system, some have autocratic system, some have their own mindset, each country. So government services across the world are getting affected of AI, but they are doing it cautiously. And the last will be agriculture sector, where AI is going to affect, but nature plays very important role. You have seen the volcano eruption in Ethiopia and the clouds coming across the continents. So it's a very different sector. It's a nature dominated sector. We are in artificial intelligence world, which is more of a controlled data, which is of more of a regulated atmosphere, because artificial intelligence required regulated data, structured data, and norms for designing it. So financial services, which is the most regulated structured data, so it is impacting more AI there. Now we comes to next, AI in manufacturing businesses, how it is affecting the in businesses manufacturing revolution. New age robots are taking the AI reasoning with visions, and they are managing the complex task. We have seen like Tata Steel, they are using AI intelligence robot are using in the assembly on the shop floors. Yes, the role of quality person has gone, supervisor has gone, and AI import quality people, AI imported AI powered robots are playing the role of quality inspection. Predictive maintenance is also coming there, and the future is AI plus robotic is equal to small factories with minimum human intervention. You can go to the mobile factories, you can go to electronic factories, even in the pharma sector also, you can see the factories where robots are more used. Then comes our sector, financial sector. Here, what is the theme of AI? These are the border, these are the wide goals. Fraud detection. Everybody wants fraud detection. You are seeing that online frauds, the hacking, the e-arrest, digital frauds are rising. So every government wants this fraud detection. So AI is being used to detect fraud extensively. Then robo advisory. If there is a question with any banker, the customers are getting advice, even for small queries relating to taxation, relating to many things, robo advisories are coming. Then comes the underwriting. This is a very important sector for the financial services, capital markets, algorithm trading. This is another sector. You have seen how Zerodha grow, and many platforms are using it. Algorithmic trading. One analysis say 96% F&O trading is happening through algorithm trading. No human intervention, just setting up the goals and they are doing trading. Governments are worried, but it's happening. Then customer support bots. So these are the AI themes. Now, what is the current status? Many institutions moved beyond pilot projects. Private banks already implemented this. Nationalized banks already started implementing this. They are embedding AI and modeling their operations. Generative AI is used for personalized advisory. So this is the current status where it is there. What next? Autonomous banking. There is no need to go to bank. Even also we don't today go to the bank, but tomorrow there it will be much more autonomous, and the things will be there that banks will take decisions also through use of AI relating to the banking. So more concentrated efforts are happening worldwide for autonomous banking and save the cost. Then real-time credit risk monitoring. Yes, this is coming up very fast. Few products are already available. Real-time credit risk monitoring. They monitor on day-to-day basis where we are spending, where we are earning, and they give credit risk monitoring. Fully AI managed portfolios, the PMS, mutual funds, wealth managers, all these things are getting affected by AI. So you just have to set the goal and they will manage your portfolio. And there is an evolution of DeFi, the digital finances world, which we'll see in future. And why not? Yes, it is going to affect. How? Because data is available, stock market is there, then taxation norms are there, accounting softwares are there, structured data is there in financial services. Clear business use cases are happening. Every banks have a clear use case. Every financial institutions has a clear use case. Adopting regulations. Every country is changing regulations fast. They want technology to be used in financial services. Then digital maturity, UPI, you have seen Aadhaar, you have seen mobile. So it is making adoption very fast. So days are there that maximum AI impact will be on the financial services. AI plus blockchain convergence. The true paradigm shift through AI plus blockchain synergy. unlocking decentralized finances, creating more transparent, secure, and automated systems will be the future of this AI in financial services. Blockchain, you cannot change the data, you cannot change the transactions. So this will be very important. AI plus blockchain synergy. So this will reduce frauds and this will enhance the trust of use of AI in financial services. Now we come down to our firms, our practices, our CA firms. What is the problem in adopting AI? Smart decisions, the daunting dilemmas, because we have our own set of discussions in our firms. Inability to take clear decisions, lack of confidence, and language as a roadblock. Because AI, we have technical jargons that machine learning, then NLP, then generative AI, and we are used of GST, income tax, provision, accounting standard, and different things. So we lack of confidence in technology, so that is the thing, but we should start taking clear decisions of this. Then comes staff and data challenges. That who will train the staff? Where is the technology staff? So we must start ourselves getting trained in AI. Our staff training should also happen, or take new staff with AI able language, AI able knowledge. Blind reliance on staff, further incorrect data records given by the clients, because we also have a data challenge. If we developed a tool, whether the data for that tool will be of effective use or not, every client has his own set of data record. We have to sanitize the data and then use. So that is a big challenge, because many people think that you give excel sheet to that model and it should immediately give the answer. It is not going to happen. Same way, when you give anything to your article, he will go, he will make mistake, he will come again, you will again train him, and it will take time. So even a fresh article start giving results after 3 months, 6 months. So in this case also, the AI LLMs will give you the results, but giving the right prompt, giving them some maturity model time is a key. Then growth barriers. Why I am not able to grow my clients? If only I cloud market means what? My client is growing, whether I can provide these services to AI. So there are many discussions within the firms that how we can empower the AI consultancy to our clients. So rather than making AI as a hurdle, we should take it further. Then value and skill gap. How to make client realize the value of my work? AI skill for staff, clients, and partner. This is very important. If you start using technology at all the levels, your client will realize the value of the work and it will create a good thing. हमारे फर्म के अंदर की कहानी, but what is really happening today? It may be in Mumbai, it may be in Sambhajinagar or across India. As a chairman, I move across India, and many firms have the same story. My firm also have the story. Your firm may also be having the same story. Big firms, large firms, too many systems, no time, not able to see any Suryas, working from sunrise to the late night. So here we have to use AI orchestration platform. Means what? Reduce too many systems in the firm, too many data sets, silos, and bring it on one AI model, so we can have a synchronized AI platforms. Because large the firm, large the data set, large are the silos. One partner is having different set of data, another partner is having different set of data. So bringing all these things at one platform is very important. Then small and medium sized firm, they are big in heart. It's a Munna Bhai concept. Clients love them, but banks hate them. So how they can increase their value because bank balance is not increasing. Clients are there. So have a AI timesheet based invoicing and fees collection bot. So the small firms can start leveraging AI in their problem area. Then mid-sized firm, three idiots, Chatur, they are process offset, Excel ki kasam. We have attended all trainings. We know technology, but the outputs are not coming. So AI process automation dashboard with real-time KPIs will be of very big importance for these firms. So the partners, the seniors should have automated dashboards to see where the collections are happening, what the articles are doing, on which client status, what work is going on, and how we should grow. So, dashboard in my firm, I have done a dashboard for outstanding recovery of the fees, and we have given responsibilities to our partners, the sharing of fees also, the percentage, many calculations are there from this automated dashboard process. Then small firms, traditional firms waiting to modernize. English, शशि का रोल एआई से क्या होगा कुछ मेरा काम तो नहीं चला जाएगा my firm my work will not go whether the AI will affect. So friends, for small firms it's a boon, very important. Even a proprietary firm can give best of practices by using AI. Start with simple AI and then partner with juniors, yours articles. You will see a big change in AI. Some operational headaches are there in our firm. हमारे यहाँ सब मल्टीटास्किंग है. हमारा स्टाफ भी रिटर्न भरने की ताकत रखता है. Means what? We partner do everything or a proprietor do everything. Admin, billing, hunting for small past files, staff training, everything. We are multitasker. So in each task, we must have workflows, tool design, track and automate. So by this, workflow chaos can be reduced. Client follow. This is the very important thing because customer is the king, client is the king. Sending proper communication, sending the reminders, using of chatbot, saving our time, automated client reminder system is a need of our, and in our office also we have implemented it and getting very good results. Then document chaos. This is the most important thing. Files are coming in email, some are sending documents to WhatsApp, there are documents on table, god knows where the documents are getting there. So we must automate document management system first. A structured data is most important for implementing AI. We have our client file saving system in computers. Some offices start with the client name folder, then year wise folder, then putting subject wise folder in the server where Excel and Word files are saved. Some have year-wise folders, then client-wise folders, and then save the data. So structured data is very important. So we have to reduce the document chaos, working papers, automation, saving them, taking them out, because tomorrow any regulatory authority, NAFRA or somebody else, they ask for working papers, we must be able to take them out. So use document management system for reducing document chaos is a key. Then fee recovery. This is very important. AI payment trackers and nudging bots. These are the solution for that. Every firm should start using such types of tools, which are AI payment trackers. I have prepared in my office. We are going to use it extensively. So that is the thing here. Now comes most important, people and talent challenges. आर्टिकल आते हैं सीए करने, जाते हैं एमबीए बनने. This is very important here because we get articles and we rely on them. This is not the case. We ourselves has to empower in AI revolution. If we empower ourselves, then the Gen Z will be there make them AI career assistant, create growth path for them, that if you use AI in our office processes, you will become a AI senior AI technology using in our firm. You will be AI in charge and start them. So retention views will be gone. Then partner tech views. I feel on top when I attend AI seminar, but trouble start as soon as I come to office. When you attend the certificate courses of ICI level 1, level 2, you will feel that yes, we can do like this, that, everything. Because in AI seminars, lectures, everything seems flashy, empowering. But as soon as we go to the office, tough. So what is important here? AI solution start with RPA, automation of pain point. Identify the pain points of our firm and start slowly using robotic automated process and use small tools. Training is very important. A weekly training is very important for our staff, for our everybody. So have AI based learning platform, watch hackathons, ICI tickets, watch webinars like of BCS, and use that knowledge. In AI, implementation is the key, execution is the key. So you every week one tool should we start as a goal of using. Then next week have another goal of using another tool. By that way, we can reduce the gaps. Then productivity drops. AI monitoring productivity patterns. When there are due dates, there is a more productivity. Once the due dates are over, productivity drops of the staff. So you can monitor through this. Client's relation is the biggest pain point. And here, by using the AI, we can enhance this our experience of clients with our firm. By enhancing the client experience, the goodwill of the firm goes. So what is needed? Data extraction chaos. No structure is there. We ask every time different files to the banks, to the clients. So how we can use tools where we can connect with their data sets and we can extract that and we can go ahead for our work. So less harassment or less follow with the client for data. Then come scope. We start some work and we are undercharged. So we can have AI powered engagement letter, scope boundaries, and then allocation of tasks. So whenever there is a excess time given for the subject which is not there in the scope, we can start billing. Many clients don't appreciate. So start building AI dashboards, or you can give access to your dashboard of that particular client to the client also. So the client can come to know my files are received, the work is going on, the returns are filed, this is the acknowledgement, this is the balance sheet, everything. So cloud based dashboards of our firms where access is given to the clients will help a lot. Then we have to reduce technology FOMO. This is very important. Adopt AI or become a history. But too many tools may be a problematic. So integrate AI one by one by using the tools. Whether you are using in accounting, Tally, Zoho, or you want to get automated in your document management through WhatsApp, Telegram, or emails. So please identify one area and then start. Too many tools is a risky. Then start AI solution, generative AI tools with your partners. So it should come from the higher level to lower level implementation. But technology, the new creativity will always flow from low to high. So the gap between the senior management and junior management in office should be reduced. We should be more open when we use AI solution. Then fear of bots. What if they started filing the returns? Don't worry, Human judgment is always going to be there. Whatever process are automized, they needs to be verified by human beings. So don't worry, every level there should not be fear that by using AI, my job will go or my work will be slowed down. Now, next, aspire to be tech savvy. This is very important. If you see, MDPs are also going to come, GCCs are coming, large firms now coming up into the business services, software services, technology services. So in future, what we anticipate at ICI also, that technology consultancy will be more for AI, for chartered accountants. And I am telling you, this is going to happen. Why? You have seen, or you must have read, that TCS Infosys has removed thousands of employees from their organizations. And who were they? They were the coders. So by AI, coding has gone. Coding has come down. So a CA having a financial data knowledge with AI skill is the best person to grow in finance field. Earlier, coders were there for fintech software development. Now, CAs are using the tools and they are developing the software for fintech because coding is not required. You just have a best AI tool and you have a clear idea, you have mastery on data, and you can go ahead with that. Strategy, growth, and positioning. We are experts, but marketing में हम कम पढ़ते हैं. So in our office, we must start for market analysis, for our client analysis tools, identify ABC clients, strategize which client is growing. You have balance sheets of all your clients, just map them and you can see which is the growth path client and you get connected with that. So you can pitch with that client. Then pricing pressures. There are the new things happening. Every new things disturb another one. AI, ITR return filing, GST filing, they are getting commoditized. So the prices are under pressure of our services. So go for business consultancy, go for more AI based return calculations, wealth management things. Then we can market our tool by using Canva, by using ChatGPT. You can create a best of your marketing campaign for your clients of your tool by using these AI tools. So there is no need of having a media agency or a branding agency that how your firm can be branded. You can use these good apps and go ahead. Compliance and risk management. Every time new ITR tools come and we go for due date extension because technology ITRs are not getting filed. Friends, these are the risks. Regularities are always going to update the things. So we have to use AI to save our time. Now DPDP Act is coming, RBI circulars, GST, income tax. The future is that they will have every control on our data also, that how CAs are using client data, DPDP Act things are there. So please be get ready for the regulatory alerts, then deadline nightmares. We have to save ourselves. Cyber risk, please watch out for the privacy areas. We must use best of AI to save our clients' data, and we must be compliant. We must know the risks of implementing AI. Now, at the end, let's focus on practical integration strategy. What is this? Start small. Begin with routine task automation. You identify your task, that what are the tasks that you want to automate, like attendance of your staff, calculation of salary, calculation of hours for the staff. So you can automate it. Then next, you can go through the GST 99C season is coming, how you can import the purchase register, how we can reconcile it with 2A. Many small things are there. You go through ICI hackathon, there is a library in hackathon, and you will find the small routine task automation tools. Gradually increase complexity. This is very important in AI. Don't go for big tasks immediate. Otherwise, you will lose the confidence and AI implementation will slow down. Scale up wisely. Expand to client facing application. पहले अपने ऑफिस के रूटीन्स को ऑटोमाइज करो, देन यू गो फॉर client facing application which will generate more revenue to your firm. Then create SOPs. Document AI assisted workforce is very important here. Creating SOPs for the audit, for our different processes is important, and use of AI in that workforces. So how to start this journey? Your action plan. Friends, today download and explore one AI tool. You can download it from ICI website, AI in ICI, or GitHub, or Hugging Face. You go on web and you can search the best AI tool, or you can have your chat GPT, Cloud A downloaded already. So that is a good thing. So you have done that day. Then comes this week, automate one routine task. Have a discussion within the firm, which task we want to automate. Internal office hackathon can be done. You give an open challenge to all your staff that which task we can automate and how to do it, and you give an award to your staff. Okay, this is the use case which we are going to use. This is the best because it is affecting to a larger extent to our office, so let's use that and automate that task. Give reward to your staff for this. Then have a month planning. Implement AI in one client services. So first is our own office and then start with one client services. Select a one client and how you can help implementing AI for betterment of client service. And then comes this quarter, major and scale successful implementations. So at the end of the quarter, we must reach out to the clients and some billing should come from AI automation for our firms. That should be our roadmap. So tips while using AI. Number one, make a project, whatever it may be the project in income tax, GST, accounting, auditing, business consultancy, whatever it may be, market analysis, product analysis, it may be a project report, cash, what we say, management system, or whatever it may be the that. Take one project, give instructions to the project. Means what? You should be able to know that a software industry works on input, processing, and output. So, what are the instructions for input? How you want to process, and what should be the output? So, define that, and you can learn it from your Chat GPT or Cloud A or Gemini, whatever tool. Then give proper prompts. This is very important. You can give a best prompt. Even ICI has started prompt writing competition. There are prompts available on the website. You can download the prompts and you can also use it. So in your office, how to check a fixed assets, if that is the project. So a prompt should be prepared in your office, how to check fixed assets. So every article, every one will use the same prompt. So it will give the same results. So prompt library in your office is must. Then always enable thinking mode. The things will change. Hallucination is there. इंसान भूल जाता है तो tools भी भूल सकते हैं. So always enable thinking mode that whether it is giving correct result or not. Then take live examples from it. Get data. Use live examples with your clients and don't tell logic. Give what to do. This is very important. Whenever you are using any AI tool, don't tell the logic. Give what to do. Like you give instructions to your articles. open fixed asset register, then see the opening balances, then see the additions, check whether plant and machinery, immovable property, vehicles, whatever it may be. You give what you want to do in the prompt as you do for your articles, and be patient. Your tool will give you best of results. App can be developed, HTML can be developed. Be patient and treat AI as an article, not as a principle. This is a key for developing AI in our offices. Friends, BCAS is there, ICI is always there. We have developed our own ecosystem. We have books on AI, we have hackathons, we have training programs, certificate courses are there, then webinars and seminars everywhere it happening. Go for certificate courses, maybe of ICI, maybe of Google, maybe of Microsoft. Use GPTs, create your client GPTs. We have created for our exams, for industries, for committees. So creating a GPT is also one of the skill for our office. Then agentic AI is coming, multi-model platforms are coming. We can use that platform. ICI is using it. Many big organizations are using this. So that is the way to go ahead with agentic AIs, multi-level models we must use, because as a chartered accountant, we cannot rely on one AI tool. For example, if you are given a prompt to Cloud A, if you are given a prompt to Perplexity, if you are given a prompt to ChatGPT, the answers are different. So as a CA, we must audit that answers and select the best answer for that. So multi LLMs are being used by many firms to their increase the efficiency, because the employee applies the mind. One prompt is given and the answers are coming from multi LLMs. Yes, the cost is high, but the results are also high. There is a less chance of error by using multi LLMs. So security of your infrastructure is must. So please do that and train your staff, train yourself in AI on day-to-day basis. This is very important. Mhm. At least having a general and basic knowledge of AI is compulsory for across the partner, across the firm, across the businesses. So even our president, vice president, all central council members are being trained. They are given training. So everybody is learning. So please get learn in this AI system. In Australia, ACCA and CPA Australia, they are also doing lot of research in AI, automation, integration, data analytics. They are focusing. So globally, what is happening with the other institutions, we have to know. CPA Canada, they are increasing AI competency frameworks and digital transformation guides. They are relying on that. ICI is also doing many things. Then ethics, governance, and research. This is the area where we all professional focus in our practice. So global standards are getting developed. IFAC is more preferring responsible AI governance, then ethics in AI audit by AICPA, ACAW on global surveys, then ICI is aligned with them. We already have ethics and privacy books. We are already giving lot of information on that. Digital tools and innovations are happening. AICAW has developed AI Hub, where they are providing digital audit, practice management, ethics things. We are also doing it. Regional collaborations, kappa initiatives are there. Technology driven capacity building across Asia Pacific region. We are also part of that. Global MOUs are coming. So we can also have our own integrations with the technology firms. Your firm and that technology company or software provider should get mutually connected, so you can develop the tools for the clients. Friends, please remember that due to AI, coding is gone. Now the subject master people with some knowledge of AI are going to make the world future, and we CAs are best suited for it. So we should not miss the bus of this AI revolution. We should learn, relearn, and also earn a new CA with AI enabled tools and having a fundamental knowledge of the domain will make future, will create big impact in these AI revolutions. So attend summits, have a future vision of AI. So with these words, thank you to BCGA, thank you to all of you to use AI correctly. Take Treat AI like an article, don't make it your principal. So let's stay connected. Happy learning to all of you. Now I am stopping my screen sharing. So over to you, Angel.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for the insightful section. Mrinal, can we proceed with the Q&A and the other things?
Yeah, thank you, Kinjal. So, and thank you, Umesh bhai, for the wonderful presentation. Before we proceed, I'm just looking at the question Q&A tab. There were a bit of a questions on suggestions about tools which could be used by CAs. Some specific names which could be shared, which has got a relevant utility for small chartered accountants.
First and foremost important is Cloud Perplexity, the Cloud of Anthrop, and then you go for Chat GPT. These are the two basic important things which we must go for it. And then if you want to have tools developed by our CS, then you can have it from our hackathon library. But in market, there are few tools like Canva, like Hagen, and then there are few tools which are there, which are more specific for the financial data analysis. So that can be shared separately, but I will recommend Cloud and ChatGPT. If you have Microsoft license version, Copilot is coming in there. And Google LLM notebook, Google Studio is also best. Friends, it is very important to note here, like in Income Tax Act, we have act, rules, regulations, acts and rules. They are the bare act. But commentaries we have a lot. So we have many books on commentary. So as a CA, go and buy one LLM app, basic, Cloud or Perplexity or say Chat GPT, and use yourself give prompts so you can create apps also. For website, there is a Lovable app. Napkin is also one of the good AI tool.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there is another question on any AI tool for studying quarterly results of listed company. Some kind of programs designed to upload and study quarterly results in a quick summary basis.
There are the tools, but they are paid tools. I am not getting the name, but I will definitely share it. One use case has come for that also in a hackathon. I'm not getting the name, but it is there.
Okay. And just I'll take up one more question regarding some good tools for preparation of financial statements, automation, some
I think
quick tips.
what I will do, I will share the tool list
Okay.
for the financial professionals. And
Perfect.
2 years earlier, we prepared a 100 tool booklet also. Now it is also updated. I will share that. So that will give
Yes.
answer to many questions.
So we'll share the presentation and the tool list also with the participants.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now for the pleasant task of proposing a well-deserved vote of thanks. Sir, you covered the major area regarding the development in the artificial intelligence and how, this could be taken use by the chartered accountants, and I'm sure a lot of people are moving towards adaptation of and more use of AI. But yes, the strategies which you discussed, the action plans which you shared, the tips, etc., will definitely come handy to our participants in starting that process of moving towards use of more and more use of AI. On behalf of Bombay Chartered Accountants Society, we would like to propose a well-deserved and hearty vote of thanks to you, sir, Umesh sir, and we look forward to more engaging engagements with you, sir, from BCS.
Yes. Thank you.
And thank you to participants for joining this session.